Hello, in front of me I have ALCATEL 1S, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout settings on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's tap on display. Here tap on advanced. Then select sleep option right here below the wallpaper. And now we can select a few options. First one is 15 seconds, second one is 30 seconds. Next we have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Select the option you like by tapping on it. For example, I'm gonna select 30 seconds, and now my screen will turn off automatically after 30 seconds of inactivity. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.